Good day. We are the Group 2 from BSIE 4B, and our proposal action plan entitled Different Threats of Subterranean River National Park, Palawan City has become a minor issue towards the environment. Introduction and different threats.
The Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, also known as the Puerto Princesa Underground River, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in the Philippines. The underground river is situated in the St. Paul mountain range on the western coast of the island of the Palawan. It flows through a limestone cave system before emptying into the South China Sea. The river is approximately 8.2 kilometers long, making it one of the longest navigable underground rivers in the world. The Puerto Princesa Underground River is renowned for its exceptional natural beauty and unique ecosystem. The cave system features stunning stalactite and stalagmite formations, as well as various rock formations that resemble animals and other objects. The river is also home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including several endemic and endangered species. One of the main issues faced by Puerto Princesa that the underground river faced was the threat of over-tourism. The river is a popular tourist destination, attracting thousands of visitors each year. However, the high volume of tourists can have a negative impact on the river's ecosystem, particularly if visitors do not follow responsible tourism practices.
The Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, according to IUCN World Heritage Outlook, it provides assessment information in terms of threats. Current threat: there is a need more effective control such activities. Several of the current activities for the improvement of land use and tourism activities carried out inside the waterway are not in line with the standards of preserving biodiversity and are causing determined harm. Therefore, it is important to find balance between promoting tourism and protecting the environment because by means of preserving biodiversity, it is crucial for the health of ecosystem and the sustainability of tourism activities. Land claim disputes, unlawful land sales, and various related changes growth. There are also significant impact from the rapid increase of visits over the past 10 years. It is both inside the site restrictions and in all careful immediate environment. Observation is needed to see if the recent management actions are adequate. Therefore, the rapid increase in visit over the past 10 years can also have both positive and negative impacts on the site and its immediate environment. On the other hand, increased tourism can bring economic benefits and raise awareness about the importance of conservation. But if it is not managed properly, it can lead to overcrowding, habitat degradations, and increased pollutions, and it is the negative impact. These will be considered threats. Logging can cause deforestation, hunting or trapping can cause wildlife trade, and livestock farming can cause habitat destructions. Habitat destructions, these are the includes bacterial contaminations, sedimentation, natural loss, and pollutions because of the land use change and illegal activities. Mostly the threats perceived as a minor, but the safeguarding of the underground watershed is for the entire river necessary, maintaining the property's outstanding universal value throughout the long term and preserving both the quantity and quality of water, even if the majority of threats are now regarded as minor. Therefore, the findings minor threats at the Subterranean River National Park, the researchers make a prevention on how to lessen and avoid the mentioned issue, and it will help to the environment of the subterranean river, which will promote a good stability in terms of sustainability of the place.
We will tackle how to prevent the threats in Subnitarian River in Puerto Princesa. The first threats in Subnitarian River in Puerto Princesa are the logging or land harvesting. It is a process of harvesting trees. First thing to do is plant more trees. It helps to maintain the healthy soils. They are important because it gives us a fresh air breath and help us to stop the climate change. Second, and stricter regulations on forest management. The relevant forest management authorities should take actions and utilize their constitutional provisions on environmental protections to enact laws and regulation restricting the practices. Next is encouraging reforestation initiatives and community involvement. We can prevent this by, you can make differences in the fight to save forests by making informed daily choices, by consuming less, avoiding single-use packaging, and choosing recycled or responsibly produced food products. We can all be part of the movement to protect forests. Promoting sustainable forestry aims to protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forests, combat desertification, and halt and reverse land degradation, and halt biodiversity loss. The second threats in Sub-Nitaran River in Puerto Princesa are the hunting or harvesting. This is the removal of animals from their habitat, results in the death of animals. First thing to do to prevent this is stricter the laws around the sale and trade of animals. In RA 9147 prohibits to killing, injuring, selling, and transport threatened and endangered wildlife species to ensure the human treatment of our animal and promote their welfare.
Stricter laws around buying and selling exotic pets aims to regulate the trade and ownership of unique or non-native animals. These measures often focus on ensuring the welfare of the animals, preventing illegal trafficking, and safeguarding ecosystem from potential invasive species. Such regulations typically involve licensing requirements, thorough documentation, and penalties for violations to promote responsible and ethical practices in the exotic pet industry.